the gas, spinning ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up with a brand mean nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty, got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and the hills and they running for the.
Hasn't been that long since I seen y'all. Just came back from vacation, like it's been a week now. Not even a week, it's been a couple days since I've been back, but today is the 4th of July. I'm going to a pool party. I don't know why I said pool party like that. I'm going to a pool party. This whole weekend was gonna be crazy because I had a lot of events to pop out to this weekend, but unfortunately I'm probably not going to the main one that was this weekend because I just didn't buy my ticket and I still haven't bought my ticket to go. It's like a music festival, Caribbean music festival that they do in Miami. Maybe if I get lit enough tonight, I'll change my mind and probably be like, yeah, let me buy my ticket. Until then, as far as I know, I am not going to that one, but we're going to a house pool party today. And then I'm pretty sure tomorrow we're going to the same pool party that I went to during spring break. If you watch my spring break video, I also went there I've been there a couple times. Like, I feel like I'm always there now. Like, so we headed on the way to the that B&B right now. I just went to the liquor store, got a bottle right quick. I'm coming with all the fuck. I don't usually ever celebrate 4th of July. I guess this year we're doing it because I don't know. Fuck it, I guess. But we're just gonna see y'all and see what's popping, see what's going on, see what the vibes is. All right, y'all. So we put up to the.
You gonna miss it.
Wait. Let's get the rules. So are we doing loser takes a shot? Loser takes a shot. But are we doing pickups? All falls. Can you run and grab it before they get it, and that means you can play?
No.
We're not doing that.
We're not doing that. That's a lot.
I know that one. Right? That makes it more fun.
Yeah.
Like,
Bitch, do you have mine?
yeah, I got you. You do? Go ahead and Take a shot.
Loser team takes a shot after the game.
Oh, so it's not every time.
No.
It's gonna be crazy. Okay, let's go. So she will go again,
turn.
and then you.
Oh, wait.
I'm not there. And then you go. We gotta see who goes first.
She's too happy. Wait, hold on, Emma, let me do it again.
Let me do it again.
No.
Okay, do y'all do it ready?
Shit on top of cars, we shaking ass and up the road. Look, I say, oh, let me see that ass move. Wanna see you bitches better move. Look, I say, move.
Okay, girl. I see you.
Move.
Now you go again.
Why you doing foolish shut though? You bad. Move.
We only got 3.
Take my car out.
My car's a mess. But I didn't know I was gonna go.
Nah, your car not a mess. You being dramatic. That shit clean as fuck. Trust me, I done seen some shit. You just a girl, so.
Yeah, I'm just a girl.
Emma, you driving?
I really don't need to be speaking on this. Fuck it, you know how I be when I get paid. Hey, be a body, he fresh out the cage. I'm still the same nigga from minimum wage. They tryna keep up, so they stalking on me like they copping the J. I told her get.
Is that Emma behind me? I'm trying to see. I think so. She was driving kind of wild.
Do that. You got a charger, that's gonna be right.
Yeah, that's where speeding right there.
What the fuck?
Hell yeah, this is my design.
I don't even see my
Y'all, this some Fort Lauderdale shit for real. What the fucky? Y'all, what the fucky? This some real for a lot of this shit. I ain't do this in a fucking minute.
I got this bad thing I recruited. My passion is a movie. I say fuck her cause I screwed up. I stay on.
No ma'am. Hand sanitizer?
Shout out to the girls that ain't got no cash app card. They got that Chase Sapphire, right? That shit like $800 a year now. That shit hurt my heart. This is my favorite.
That's why your lips they do it to like 2 feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. You want a tight dress, just to me heart. But I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. And if you die for you, when I live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. In the end, I still want nothing spoiled. So miss
So I'm already here at the fucking music festival. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm already lit. We've been here for like an hour already. We just waiting a little bit for somebody else to get their ticket. Me being lit as fuck already. So
Cover your face! Everybody, ladies! Hey! Hey!
I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. And if you die for you, we could go on a vacation. Have fun, baby. Let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We could go on a vacation. Have fun, baby.
That's what we make.
We could go on a vacation. Have fun, baby, all alone. Yeah, got lost. Tell me, baby, what is that today? I go meet you there, 'cause I miss you every day. Better, I'm loose. I'm in Jersey, won't call it for I'm Jersey. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thoughts are always burning. Go! When you won't want me, when you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Germany. When you won't want me, when you won't want me, I just flew into Miami. Peru, 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 I'm loose. Inside you, she's my woman. Inside Puna, sweet and true. In my woman, come to me, I did. Loki, all of them done the naughty. I'm not joking, all my guys left them low. Since 06, I've been writing this story. Sexy ladies, don't feel me. And I love what I see, and it make me think, I think I go boy, I'm missing now. Yeah, nobody on the key, oh, I'm not even in the street, but now I know they need it for bad. Everybody go! Cha, 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 cha.
Bonjour, Martin. Lola, Gado moun kap pati. Gado moun kap pati. Gado moun kap pati. Gado moun kap pati.
Okay.
Je dis à
À la mode. On va.
chemise.
Okay.
Bonne année.
Non.
Ok, vini avec bot là, avec père bot là. Get. Fais bruit pour numéro 2. Lunage, Jack, Lunage.
Oh, okay.
See me in wind. She tried to fly, nigga, in this kid. She tried to fly, run away out of here. She tried to fly, nigga, can see me on way out of here, I'm too far to sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash, bitch so pretty.